Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing topro.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another cryptocurrency website. So as you can see right here, they claim that it is the king of cryptocurrencies, faster, better, stronger, easily trade over 1,700 cryptocurrencies. Register now. So as you can see right here, we're bring their home, their futures, their perpetuals, assets. And before you can access that, you need to log in and enter your information. So as you can see right here, if you're wondering if it's legit, so as you can see, Tofro, hello, is Tofro trustworthy? There's a company that gives signals to call out or put at a certain time. It sounds to me like a scam, but is anyone familiar with it? So basically, most of the websites like these are a scam, since it is very shady. If you actually head on over here, many people are saying that they have made $300 so far, but they're still not sure if it's a scam. This person said 100% is a pyramid scheme. So basically, what they're doing is they have all their characteristics of a pyramid scheme. So basically, for now it works. Yeah, that's how a pyramid scheme works. For now it works. Once more and more new people bringing their money into those who started earlier. Basically, how a pyramid scheme works, if there are a lot of people. So for example, you're at the top and you're inviting more and more people. You give those people money and they invite more people, and they give money to the company, and the money you receive, you pay those people at the top the money. So basically, the money is just circling around the company or the pyramid, but basically the only ones benefiting are the ones at the top of the pyramid. So basically, if they have a lot of people, once they have a lot of money that they can get away with, they will immediately shut down the corporation or the company, and they basically just run away with the money. So as you can see, this person agreed, yes, there is everything wrong. There's a Ponzi scheme, which is similar to a pyramid scheme. It works for a while because people are misled and thinking it's a investment with a trading bot. So people invite friends and family to so-called invest too, pushed by a free dinner. So as you can see, right here, we have it on Trustpilot, which is topro.com. And basically, they're rated 3.5 out of 5 stars. So basically, out of 35% rated it a 1 star. Scams. I joined the stuff from January. Basically, the people who rated it 5 stars don't know anything yet. So yeah, please be careful when using this website, since they have the characteristics of a shady company and a scam. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.